Answer this question. Why do some Nigerians pay up to 500,000 naira for a flight ticket, while others book that same flight ticket as cheap as 200,000 naira? The answer is simple. They know something you don't about the secret to booking affordable flights. In this video, I'll show you the secret websites just a handful of Nigerians are using to find and book cheap local and international flights from Nigeria without getting scammed by airlines or overpaying. So make sure you watch till the end. But before we get into it, make sure to tap the like button so that this video reaches more Nigerians who need it, and also subscribe if you are tired of wasting money on travel. Let's get into it. Like I said, guys, I'm going to show you this secret website in a bit, but pay attention for now. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to get cheap flights in Nigeria to any part of the country or international flights. So first of all, you choose your booking date, as you would typically do in any travel booking site in Nigeria. Choose your booking date. As you can see, I put one way, Lagos to London, from September 2nd. So we're going to wait while this loads, and I'll show you the next step. All right, so the next step is that you choose the preferred flight you want, the preferred airline you want. So let me try Rwanda Air because it looks the cheapest. Let me try Rwanda Air. Okay. Everything looks good. Okay, let's try and book this. Oh, okay. I think that flight is not available. All right, let's check the next best one. Let's check. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Let's check another one. Let's check Kenya Airways. Looks like Kenya Airways is a go. All right, so let's complete our booking. As you can see, the next step is to now put your passenger information. I'm just going to write a few details here to get this thing to the next stage. So put your title, put your last name. Mind you, this is not my real name, so I'm just doing this for example purposes. So put your date of birth, put your correct date of birth. See, when you're putting your name, make sure your name matches with the name on your NIN or passport. You get. Put your actual number. This isn't my actual number, but and then put your real email address. So this email address is very important because they are going to send you your ticket to this email address. So make sure you put the correct email address and cross-check to make sure it's the correct email address. All right, is everything good? Everything checks out. Make sure you accept the terms and conditions at the bottom of the page, and then go to the next page. All right, so this is the part I've been looking for. All right, this is your first summary and your traveler details, and then you can choose if you want a hotel for your trip or not. Is optional. Now choose how you want to pay. Now this is where you can get the cheapest flight prices possible. You can see here, instead of paying 1 million, you pay 300,000. Instead of 1 million, you pay 300,000 instead. That's about 25% of the total cost. There's no other place you can get the cheapest flight tickets in Nigeria than here. From this drop down, you can select a payment plan. Now, you don't have to pay just 25% upfront. If you have the capital upfront, you have the cash, you can pay as much as 75%, but I advise everybody to pay just 25% and then spread the remaining payments across the time that they allow you. Please note that once you pay that 25%, it means that you're agreeing that they are not going to give you your ticket until you complete the rest. You get. Until you complete the rest, they won't give you your ticket, but they will issue the ticket in your name. You see this duration you're setting, you must make sure you complete the money by the end of this duration so that they can actually send the actual ticket to your email box. Don't forget to click the box below to agree to their terms and conditions. Once you're done with everything, click finish and you are good to go. And they will send an email confirming that you've actually placed a ticket. You have actually booked a ticket. And that's basically the easiest way to book cheap plane tickets in Nigeria. So the website I've been telling you about is Wakanow's website. Specifically Wakanow's Peace Small initiative. So if you want to be able to get book cheap plane tickets in Nigeria for a fraction of the price, this is where to get it from. It's a flexible travel payment that allows customers lock down great travel deals by making as little as 25% down. Just 25% down, And it's very straightforward, search for your flight or hotels, select suitable pay small options, put your 25% down payment, ensure your card is funded for payments, receive your ticket after final payment, after final payment. So when you visit this page, make sure to check the frequently asked questions so that every single question you have about this pay small from Wakanow is answered. That'll be all, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and you can watch these videos next. See you on the next episode.